Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Starmen surprise show. I'm Devin. With me is Billy.
Woo!
And we just got this in the mail.
Yeah.
So, Billy, you want to explain what this is?
Alright, this is another WWE Collector's Box. This is one that this is the latest one there, so it's Razor Ramon.
As you can tell by the box. Which I'm going to get a very good look at this.
Yeah, it's one of the better boxes.
It really is. It's really detailed all around. Yeah, all the sides and everything just...
Yeah, and what I'm assuming these are just images from his vignettes before he debuted.
So already got points for the box being really good.
Yeah.
Let's crack this baby open and see what we got. So even the inside of the box is detail.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to get the t-shirt. Well, looks like just the cover of the box, it looks like.
Crack it open and find out. We're going to have to open all it, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not even a t-shirt.
No.
Can I get a feel for the... Oh, that is soft as all hell. Yeah, no, that's definitely...
Yeah, no, the shirts from WWE shop are really good quality.
Really good quality, really fine fabric.
Yeah, like... That. Alright. So we'll figure.
Yeah. So this was similar to the pallbearer Undertaker rubber.
Yeah, I think it's... Yeah, it's rubber, I believe.
Yeah, it's a type of rubber. It's not on camera. Yes. Interesting thing to have.
Yeah. Alright. Oh.
Oh, you knew this was coming.
Yeah. When I saw this in the box, I'm like, ooh, that's the reason why I'm like, might have to get this.
So that is the gold chain with a razor blade.
Yeah.
It says the bad guy Razor Ramon. And it's a very nice chain.
Yeah, no, like same, like a lot of pendants are really good quality.
Yeah.
Except for the one Hardy Boys pendant I bought, and I had to swap out the chain.
Ah.
And surprisingly, someone saw it down in New York and asked me where I got it because they saw the same one and different chain on it.
Yeah.
Alright. You got nice little pin. It's him walking underneath the ladder for WrestleMania 10.
Nice.
So, pretty good, because like that was like for the ladder match, because like I said, that was like still I think the first ladder match I ever saw.
Yep.
And who'd have thought 25 years later I saw a ladder match in the same building.
Alright.
Alright, we got the
Poster, which we'll open up here and that is a nicer, thicker poster material.
Yeah, like
that's better than the standard paper.
yeah, no, like it's
So that's not going to rip easy.
no.
I imagine you can just flatten that out too. It'd be easier to flatten.
Oh yeah, no. I just set it on top of my printer, put a heavy book on it, and leave it for a day or so, and
It's good to go.
yeah. So yeah, so that's really good. I'm not sure if it's the artist that you usually get, Rick. I can never pronounce his last name.
Yeah.
But it's like a graffiti like type artist.
Okay.
So, and this is the last
So just while you're opening that.
Alright, so nice velvet bag.
Yeah.
Alright. I think this is another.
Oh, it's the Continental.
Oh, nah.
Hold that closer here.
Which.
Focus.
Yeah, I'm not sure that's supposed to be a pin because I see the back of it, but I don't.
It looks like it just slaps onto a belt buckle.
Yeah.
Which would make more sense considering what it is.
Yeah.
But
So.
no, that is definitely interesting enough.
Yeah, no, like. Except I already have a replica of that belt.
Oh yeah, you have the real thing.
Yeah.
Replica of the real thing.
And it's actually signed by Razor.
Yeah. So.
But yeah, no, like, so these, like, I think.
So what was that? 4 items?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 items in the box.
Yeah.
And how much was this?
About $96.
$96. That's quite a bit when you think about it for 6 collector's items. But again, I can't fault the quality on any of these items.
No, it's...
Even the pin, an enamel pin like that.
Yeah, no, like these boxes are, like, worth it. Like, if you can get, like, when they put out the wrestlers you want.
Yeah.
Because I did get one box a few months ago, Rowdy Piper, that unfortunately we didn't do a
unboxing of, but
circumstances is couldn't we do it?
No. But final thoughts on?
Yeah, no, it's like I think this is so an excellent box, and I'm just waiting to see what the next one's going to be, because there's been I think this is the 6th or 7th box they put out in the last year.
Okay.
And this is the 3rd one I bought. This other one being the Untitled one and the Rowdy Piper one, which
yeah. And we already did the Undertaker one, so that's on the channel if you guys want to check that out. But
Bruce Summerall was in the Rowdy Piper one. It was a coconut cup.
Yeah.
Sunglasses, which look like the ones from They Live.
Yep.
T-shirt that had all his quotes on it. Another couple pins and all that, and the poster.
All right. So I think with that, that'll be the episode. It's going to be a very short unboxing, but fortunately we don't have much else to show.
No.
But until next time, I'm Devin.
Billy, dig it.
Have a good one, guys.